Hello, welcome back for lesson number 21. I put a title called Island White. Today we are going to cut the island area of the Superman logo. So I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to do today. So this is a result on the previous lesson. We have trimmed the diamond shaped logo to be a thinner wall so that we can have a bigger tool to go into deeper area to cut the profile. We have to hide the previous operation and collapse it, create a new one by using a profile, and we're going to create a new profile for it. So use create and select profile, then follow with OK. Need to select this 3, 1, 2, 3 curve to produce the profile for our next operation. So click OK. Follow with that, we need to select the outside because we need to cut the outside area as an island. So we click OK with that. Continue to use the diameter 3 flat end mill because that would able to cover the circumference of the island. So we use the same tool. Edit with the right click mouse to do the parameter update. Okay, so we need to set the G54, the first thing on the frame. Follow with the RPM, I just set 1002. The top area is -4 because we have pre-rough out the top portion. We balance 1 mm, so instead of 5 become a -4, and select the bottom area for the ending area for the Superman logo. We follow to set the side thickness to be 0.5 and the bottom is 0.5 so that the finishing tool is not going to take a lot of material out of it. Uniform depth is 3. We're going to cut the outside, and as well as the starting point we need to put 0 minus 11.75, easier for the tool to maneuver in the area of the triangle, almost like a triangle at the bottom of the Superman logo. We set the lead in, the engage, as well as the retract as 3, 0, 3 and 0, 3 and 0. Choose a color of magenta and then we do a calculate. With that, we take a look on the result. Seems like okay, so we want to do a verify, and the first step is 7, which is correct because -4 to -7, so actually is 3 mm depth, and follow to the last one is supposed to be Z minus 14.5 because the total depth is 15. So we're happy with that. We click OK and then follow with this OK and perform a solid verify. Seems like the wall thickness is okay because there is still room over there, and we want to see how is the result on the analysis, and looks good on every area. So we just do a visual on this and follow with the closing. Okay, so happy with that. We just save the file for the next lesson. So let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to accomplish the task. First, we double-click the previous operation, collapse the whole operation, start with the profile, and we're going to create a new one. So select profile and click OK. We need to tilt the part to be a better view, easier for us to pick. So we need to click 1, 2 and 3. We click OK. Select the direction is gonna be outside for the tool side. Click OK. Select diameter 3 flat end mill. Follow with the parameter setting by right click of the mouse and click edit. Set the frame to G54. RPM is 1200. The boundary top area is -4. The bottom, we can pick the bottom, which is -15, correct. tolerance wise, we need to set 0.5 for the wall as well as the bottom, and the uniform depth is 3. We need to change this one to outside, and we need to set here 0 minus 11.75. With that, we need to change the lead in and lead out, which is the engage and retract. We put 3 and 0. This one as well, 3 and 0. Display, I'm going to choose a different color, magenta. After that, we do a calculate. Everything seems good. Let us do a verify. Set the frame to G54 and slowly bring down the tool. First is Z minus 7. Then we continue. The second is minus 10. And minus 13. The last one is 14 minus 0.5. Correct? This is what we want. We click OK. And we can do a OK over here. We're going to perform a solid verify so that to ensure everything is correct. So I'm going to do a adjustment on the speed. Let us see how it goes. Looks good on the area. So let me do a analysis visual. Okay, we're happy with that. So we close this one. We save the file for the next lesson. So thank you for watching. Let me show you more on this part on the next lesson. See you. Bye bye.